Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto, and today I'm gonna show you one of the best crypto arbitrage that you need to know. Okay, so I'm a day trader. I do this almost every day. Whenever I wake up, I go check the markets and find crypto arbitrage opportunities, right? And today I'm gonna show you how exactly I do this almost every day and take advantage of crypto arbitrage opportunities. All right, so if you're new to this crypto channel, well, this is Heavy Crypto. So on this channel I show you what I do to make money, specifically trading crypto. Okay, so you can see a bunch of videos right here. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like button if you enjoy these videos. So let's go ahead into today's business. All right, so today I'm gonna show you a specific strategy that you need to follow, but again, make sure you just follow the strategy, and I'm gonna show you how exactly you can spot arbitrage opportunities right now. Okay, but I guarantee you that if you just follow this strategy and do everything what I'm gonna show in this video, you're gonna double your money almost every day by using this strategy. So without being said, let's get right into the video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
So for you to find unlimited arbitrage opportunities, you're gonna need CoinMarketCap. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and search on Google CoinMarketCap, and you're gonna see a dashboard like this. All right, so CoinMarketCap show you pretty much everything about crypto prices. Okay, so you can see that we have bunch of crypto prices, and number one crypto trading currency is Bitcoin. Okay, because Bitcoin is a major cryptocurrency, we all know that. So I noticed that crypto arbitrage is becoming more popular because of this bear market. Okay, but I guess you can take this advantage as well. So the first thing that you really need to do is to go to where it's written filters right here. Okay, and once you click that button, you're gonna see this tab is gonna pop up right here, and you're gonna click where it's written more filters right here. Okay, and you're gonna have to change the market cap. All right, because we want to filter these cryptocurrencies from 1 million to 10 million. All right, the reason why you should filter this is because these low market cap coins have got more arbitrage opportunities, right? So from 1 million to 10 million, you're gonna find a lot of arbitrage opportunities, and this is what people are doing right now. Another reason why you should filter the market cap from 1 million to 10 million is because these coins are considered as upcoming coins, so the price is not stable if you compare it from other exchanges. All right, and this is the reason why you can take advantage of crypto arbitrage. So just gonna go ahead to where it's written 1 to 10 million and click apply filter right here. Okay, and it's gonna show a bunch of coins that have at least from 1 to 10 million market cap. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click where it's written show results right here, and right now let's try this one, NVP. Okay, let's see what's going on there. So you can see that this coin has pumped almost 136% within 24 hours. All right, and it has BNB chain and Polygon, so you don't really need to worry about transfer fees. All right, because BNB chain is very cheap and Polygon chain is actually cheapest network. Okay, right here you can actually pay like less than $1 as well. Right here you can pay less than $1 to transfer, right? So this is another advantage right here when it comes to crypto arbitrage, because crypto arbitrage is all about buying an asset from the market where it's being sold at a low price and sell it to another market where it's being sold at higher price. So in this case it can be Binance and Bybit. Okay, meaning that you can buy an asset from Binance at a low price and transfer it to Bybit and sell it there at higher price. All right, so choosing the cheapest network is actually good for crypto arbitrage because you are paying less fees to do the transfer. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead to where it's written markets right here. Okay, again we found that we can actually transfer this coin using BNB or Polygon. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead to where it's written markets and see the arbitrage opportunities. So you can see that this coin on MEXC is being sold at 0.0149 US dollars. All right, and this coin on AEX is being sold at 13 cents. Okay, so you can see the price difference right here. All right, and another thing that you should look at is volume, and you can see that this coin has this volume within 24 hours, which is good because this is just an upcoming coin and there's some volume going on right here. Okay, meaning that you can use the market order right here to buy this coin without waiting for anything and stuff like that from this exchange called MEX. And if we click right here to check this exchange, you can see that this exchange is actually legit, has this volume being traded within 24 hours. So this exchange is legit, people are trading on this exchange and there's some volume going on there so you got nothing to worry about when it comes to exchange right there. Okay, and if you click this exchange again right here, can see that it's also legit. The reason why I'm saying it's legit is because the confidence level right here is very high, meaning that people are trading on on these exchanges. And if you have some time, make sure you read these. All right, you read all these to tell you more about the confidence levels. Okay, so make sure you read this as well. And if I go check right here, you can see that this exchange is also legit. People are trading right here and has this volume within 24 hours. Okay, so right here you can see that you're gonna buy from MEXC at this price, all right, and sell it to this exchange at this price. Okay, and another thing you should look at is liquidity. Okay, so you can see that there's some liquidity going on right there. This does not mean that you need to hold this coin for 24 hours. All you need to do is to come to CoinMarketCap and sign up to an exchange. You can just use your email address and transfer there some cash. And whenever you want to transfer your money, make sure you use Litecoin, because Litecoin you pay less transaction fees and it's very fast. So I suggest you should use Litecoin whenever you want to transfer. So therefore you're gonna go ahead and transfer some money to this exchange and buy this coin and send it to this coin and sell this coin at higher price. So right here you can see that you can actually double your money more than 10 times right here, and you don't need to worry about transaction fees, because all you need to do is to go to this exchange and use market order, okay, and buy it and immediately send it to this exchange and sell it there as market order again. So you don't need to hold this coin and you don't need to worry about the transaction fees. So maybe by the time you're watching this video, this price gonna be different. Okay, so that's why I suggest you every day you have to go to CoinMarketCap and apply the filter from 1 million to 10 million. Okay, and it's gonna show you all the crypto assets that have from 1 to 10 million market cap range. Okay, and right now let's try to look at this coin right here. It's called MTA. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click it right there, and if I go on under contracts right here, you can see that this coin has Ethereum network only. Okay, so we all know that with Ethereum network we're gonna pay more fees. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead to where's written markets right here and see how much this coin is being sold from other exchanges. Okay, so you can see that this coin on Get.io is being sold at 15 cents, and the level of confidence is very high right here, and there's some liquidity going on right there, and it's very important to check for liquidity as well so that you can be able to buy this coin. All right, so there's some liquidity going on right there compared to all these other exchanges, right? And as well on Uniswap there's some liquidity going on, but then I don't recommend you to use Uniswap because this is a decentralized exchange. Okay, so do not use decentralized exchanges. We're gonna touch on that topic in another video. But then you can see that this coin on LBank, this is an exchange by the way, is being sold at 68 cents. Okay, so if you buy it from Get.io right here at 15 cents and sell it to LBank exchange, you're gonna make almost like 3x of your cash, right? And the level of confidence is very high, and you can see that there is some liquidity going on right here. Okay, so meaning that people are actually taking advantage of this crypto arbitrage, are buying from Get.io and are selling it to this exchange right now as I'm recording this video. And the reason why I'm saying that is because the volume, you can see that the volume keeps on increasing, meaning that people are buying it from Get.io right here. You can see the volume right there, and are selling it to this exchange. That's why the volume is increasing as well, and the price is increasing as well. Okay, so people are taking the advantage of this crypto arbitrage opportunity, and you don't need to set a limit order when you want to take advantage of this crypto arbitrage. Okay, because you want your order to be filled immediately, so therefore you're gonna use a market order. Okay, so just gonna go ahead to Get.io or FTX, but I don't recommend you to use FTX because there's no liquidity right here. Okay, so I suggest you to use Get.io right here because of liquidity. So just gonna go ahead to Get.io, just sign up. It takes less than 1 minute to sign up on Github or with your email. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that and transfer some funds right there. So you can use Litecoin to transfer funds, okay, because Litecoin is very cheap. Don't use ERC20 tokens because you're gonna pay fees when you want to transfer. Therefore, use Litecoin whenever you want to transfer money. Use Litecoin, okay. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that and buy this coin. It's called MTA at a marketplace, and buy it right there and immediately send it to Bank and sell it at higher price, and right there you're gonna sell it again using market order, okay. So you don't need to wait for anything. You have already made your money right there. You don't worry about the transaction fees and stuff like that, because you know that right here you're gonna sell it at higher price and you have already doubled your capital. Okay, so this is how the arbitrage game work. Okay, so in this video I just wanted to show you how exactly you can spot crypto arbitrage opportunities simply by changing the filter on coin market cap. The filter, you have to change the market cap from 1 million to 10 million, and it's going to show you all the coins that have the market cap from 1 million to 10 million. Okay, and that's why you're going to take advantage of crypto arbitrage, because these coins are upcoming coins, meaning that are being recognized from different exchanges and people are buying. Okay, so the price might be different if you compare these coins from other exchanges. Okay, and that's when you take advantage of crypto arbitrage. So if you're new to this crypto channel, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel as well. And in this channel I post everything that I do and show you how exactly you can make passive income trading crypto. Okay, so feel free to join my Telegram group. The link is going to be in the description below, because that's where I'll be posting my technical analysis and my setup trading ideas and stuff like that. So the Telegram group is free right now. Feel free to join and I'll see you there, and you can be able to ask me questions, any question you want to ask about. Okay, so this is it for today's video. Therefore, I'll see you in the video. Love and peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take